What are you eating, kuya?
I'm eating cream puff.
From ba yan nabili?
Family Mart.
Family Mart.
Sarap.
Yeah.
Sige, hindi naman tayo nagmamadali.
The same thing.
Yung syrup. Pinag-isa na nila.
Pinipiga ba yun? Hindi naman.
Nakaspread na siya sa loob.
Pati yung butter?
Yung buttercream nila. You want the other pancake, kuya? Ayaw mo. Mas gusto mo yan?
This one's so good.
Pakigat mo nga si daddy. Pakita mo kung ano.
So good?
Ano yung loob niya?
Bakit? Di ba pag so good, di ba dapat gumagano ko? Hindi na, ang dami-dami. Ito tayo mamaya sa land dashing ba yun? Silip tayo kung may mabibili na tayong
Figures?
Lapit tayo doon mamaya eh. After naman.
Sayo ka nung, sayo ni Marshall.
Ano ba yun? Yung
Bring bam.
Kalimutan ko na yan.
Tap tulog mo. Obvious nga eh. Magkabila ito lulaway. Tingnan mo.
Kabila. May sa kabila, di ko nakita dito.
Ayun o, magkabila ito lulaway. Outfit. Double heated. Oops. You can walk na. Wala naman ang dito. Ayun na yung pagoda, kuya. Oh.
Pagoda?
Ayun o. Is it nice? Kuya, mo ganyan yung payo. Give. Ano nga nagpipicture ah?
You're gonna give me. Be quiet. Give me. Daddy said I have to hold it.
Kuya, sige na.
I think that's lemon.
No, it's orange.
I know.
Look at that, kuya. It's too creepy. Gabe, look at that. Where's the baby?
Ito.
Sino yan? No, don't point it.
Si Ato.
Si Ato.
Saan si mama dito, Gabe? Saan si mama?
Mama. Ito.
Papa.
Si Papa. Ito.
Come here.
Si Papa. Bumaba. Saan? Huwag mo bubugawin ha. Mamamatay ba si Musa no hindi? Mamamatay ba si Musa no hindi? Mamamatay si Tanjiro. Umuha siya, mamamatay daw si Tanjiro. Oo daw, oo.
Uy, ano to?
Tanjiro.
Ano yan? Gachapon?
Ano to?
Tamag... yung sa sa train. Ay, sa bus. Yung stop. Yung press stop.
Can we get it?
Ha?
Can we get it? And there's another one.
Ano yan?
Gag, gusto mo picture ng kata malapit ko?
Yung sa uwak.
Uwak. Tapos stand up ka lang dito.
Hindi ganun kalamig. Op. Peak check. Ay, grabing peak check naman yan.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. 아리가루부. 오메데토. Hindi, nasa ibang street siya tayo. Hindi siya pababa. So we're going up the stairs. Naku. Left, keep left kuya. Oh my god. Lumani Maui, Eme Lumawi. Hana kinagkamag takitu. Eme Lumawi. Mahulog kagi ba? Ako nag-stairs na. Go, go, go.
Ayos niyo mag-picture dito. Dito.
You can send some, diba? Yeah. Oh, okay.
Gabriel. Gabe, no.
Yes.
Haba ng bayaran.
I can identify which is Japanese. Can you take a picture of me?
No? You want? Oh, come on.
Ah, pro.
Bababa na tayo from ayan, Kiyomizu-dera Temple. So that's the Kiyomizu-dera Temple. And ito yung Batang Pagod na ito yung asawa ko may OOTD.
Ha?
Asawa ko may OOTD.
Uy na ni OTD ko.
Kasi anak ko may samurai na hawak. Kuya, wait for us. Sige, stay there. Wait for us.
Oh, sorry, immortal blade.
So that you can
Yeah, you can kill him.
see the final boss.
No.
Yung ano,
Who's the final
temple. Hindi, ano yun, yung Fushiminari. Tomorrow Fushiminari and Team Lab. Para sa mga kids. Oy, candid photo. Diyan, wag gagalaw, wag gagalaw.
Ang profile picture daw niya.
Okay na.
Agad tayo ganun.
Nee. Wait lang. Titanic.
Parang
Titanic.
baliktad.
Oo nga.
Si Rose.
One.
Shoot, 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 shoot.
What do you mean my jacket's zero?
There's a movie called Titanic.
Oh, I know. I know that I
Mashoot ka dyan. Kasya ka pa naman dyan.
Oh.
Grab. Yung go. Yung go.
Near the fence. Kasya kayo dyan. Yung gaya ng Maui. Ng Maui. Ito yung pababa from the Kizumizudera Temple. Now we're going back to the location ng ng Yasaka Pagoda for the
Yung mochi-mochi nila.
baka tingnan natin kung open na si Ay, shoot!
Ay,
shoot! It's bad Ano to?
Kami na nga yan eh. Early. So, ngayon pa lang sila nag-open dito. Anong oras pa lang ba? Anong oras pa lang? Hindi pa yata open, bebe. Na mochi?
Ano ba to?
Chocolate and milk caramel. Oh, it's choco, strawberry, and choco banana. Ah, hungry na daw siya.
Hungry?
Oo.
Hanap na yung maupuan.
Ooh, we have necklaces.
Walang matcha dito. Ay, hindi na nga pala natin sila hanapan ng matcha, ano?
Hindi na. Parang ganto-ganto na
Gabe, ha? Be careful, Gabe. Uy, may Snoopy din dito. There's a Snoopy store. May Snoopy din dito. Be, ano to?
Did we went here before? Because I don't remember this.
No?
Everybody knows.
The Starbucks. Gozaimasu. Where's the line? Line starts here. Ay, may nahulog sa'yo. It's closed.
We're going to the Kodaiji Temple, Bamboo Forest. Naunguna na naman yung panganay ko. Uy, ano to? Dango shop. Ano? Dango shop. Oh, ganda sa loob oh. Tax free. Lamig. Very cold. Ano ito na? This is the entrance. On your right. Yan, on your right. Free admission lang pala to. Come on, Gabe. Well. Careful, may mahulog.
About there.
Ha? Nag-exercise si Mommy. Ay,
Sabi nung asawa ko, kaya matulad lang yung ulo ko. Sabi nung asawa ko, 10 minutes walk. Pero yung lilibutin mo sa loob.
Siyempre. Ito yung mga kasama mo pag nagbabakasyon, mga tamad maglalakad.
Yes lang. Nandun na yung ano. Dito mo there.
Kasi mama, diba?
Ay, ako. Nagarutan ni kinanatan na. Ha? Ha? Ano anay?
Hindi ka lagi.
Mali ko. Japanese anay. It's a Japanese anay daw.
Actually, I made it up with the umbrella.
Not in the center. I told you.
In the center. Give me another.
Si Kuya. No.
Go,
Go Kuya, go. Okay na yan. Sige.
You have to keep it spinning.
On the other side pa.
What?
There's on the other side. Paikot yan.
Spinjitzu.
Go, 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 go.
More sides to go. Go. You're so slow.
Go.
Yeah. And at least it's finished. This is the fortune telling, I think.
Chopstick.
Ay, hindi na tatanggal. So, I have to put fruit, ano?
Hindi ba siya natanggal?
Give me body, full body.
Together forever.
Cannot buy it.
Ano? Ano tayo?
Ano, yun na. Tara, order na tayo.
Oh, come on. You couldn't have been fair.
Ano sa'yo, Han?
Teka. Sigaw.
Sigaw. Ikaw?
Yung wallet.
Oo. Orange juice, cola. Water na lang. Okay, sige, go, go. Pay. Here.
Here?
Oo.
We're in Ichiran. First Ichiran ng mga bata. Tsaka ni Mami. First Ichiran ni Mami. Yummy. Hey. Why?
Kuya, kaya mo ubusin?
Scab. How's your ramen experience?
A 10 out of 10. No, actually, an infinity out of 10.
How about you, girl? Did you like the ramen?
Yeah.
Rated you.
Mas much better yung sasakay na isang girl.
10 out of 10, Gabe.
There's a coffee right there.
Oh, so yung, hindi, dito man tayo, walk-walk lang man.
Saan tayo?
Dito lang.
We're here. Nishiki Market, oh? Hanap tayo ng mga toys ng bata at nag-iisip bata.
Para toys mo.
Wait.
Go to this side.
Gab, Gabe, here daw kay Daddy. Gabe!
Totoo ba to? 500 yen. Nakukuha mo to? Swerte ako.
Mga nauto na naman.
Ay, kaya ayoko nag-gloves. Ang hirap eh.
Just gonna mamaya sa bahay, you're gonna play with this. It's a face pump.
Patitin ha. Return it ha.
Wait lang dito. 100. 100. Turn it. Got it. More.
Which one? This red one? Okay.
Not red, that's... Yeah.
Tikman natin ang sweet potato ng donkey.
Pinahirap ako bumili na.
Dandan lang kasi, kuya. Ay, saan ba kinakain to? Binubo ka lang?
I'm going to attack one more time. Come on, boom. Elf down.
Ang bango ng sweet potato nila.
Paralyzed. I have no way of healing myself. That's really bad.
Alam ko kasi
Anyway,
binubo
get
ka
in the
lang
book.
to eh.
Come on. That was a great capture. Let's go. We caught our first Pokemon. Verona leveled up as well and learned how. That's so sick. All the new particles and stuff. That looks so cool. Now,
What's
Marie,
that?
A
you're
sweet
weak right now.
potato.
You're Mal. I'm going to call you Killua. We've got a good squad going on. I should probably also scan Pokemon as I go past. It's just fun to do.
Sweet
Okay,
potato.
let's see. First, we'll check the leaves. Leaves give farmland.
Wait.
We just don't need it. What about these flowers
Taste
here?
the
It
sweet
gives wax
potato.
flavored copper bulb, which is apparently different to this one. Just a weathered copper bulb. Why, Krabby? Why are you in the forest? Let's not ask questions. Why are you in the forest as well? We're a sandcastle. You should be in the forest. You're perfect. Wait a minute. I need shears. See, I love that I can just break
sarap.
the grass and get shears. It's so funny. What
Sweet
does this give?
potato. Baby,
I was
masarap.
cured of its paralyzing. I guess they just get cured
Alam mo,
every
may
time.
asukal.
That gives a berry, which is
Kailangan?
kind of mid.
Kala mo
It's
may
just like
asukal.
Singit ako.
You as well. Vulpix, that's
Nakain ka ba
definitely a
nito?
rare spawn.
Oo, ma'am.
That's definitely a rare spawn.
Sarap
I've
ano.
already
Oo nga.
got cool fire fox though, so I don't need
Grabe.
it. Okay, Vulpix must
Ang lambot.
be rare because
Oo,
there's just two
parang
of them.
mochi, no?
Actually, seriously, that's a world champion right
Gumagawa kami niyan sa bahay pero
Hindi ka pala ka-M.
hindi ako hindi ako sa hindi palakain. Hindi ganyang kasarap na malambot na ano.
Kaso mag-uutot tayo nito.
Dati, naglugi kami isang sako ng ganyan. Tayo na ata nun eh.
Oh.
Papakulo kami ng ganyan. Nag-i-steam kami.
Ah, parang naalala ko nga yun. Parang may in-steam yata. Sino ba siya yun? Kasi nasunog. May nasunog. Nakalimutan yata.
Pwede, namang ganun yata.
Ano ba?
Baka hindi ako yan. Hindi ko talaga, nagigil na ako sa'yo eh.
Okay, yeah. Come on. Oh, Poliwag. Wait, where did Poliwag go?
Pinakabahan lang kasi ako pag kumain ng unti.
Poliwag,
Check out pa naman natin tomorrow.
Right, Poliwag, I'm gonna
Check
call
out pa natin
you
tomorrow.
female water type. You're
Huh?
gonna be a cool
You want to try this,
fighter.
kuya?
Sarap.
I'm gonna call you.
Ano naman itong mga anak ko nito?
Try mo lang, kuya.
Oh no, I should have.
Small bite.
Cool
Oh.
particles when you
Yeah.
like throw
Small
them
bite,
out
kuya.
and evolve them. I'm so dumb.
Go.
It's looking kind of cool, honestly. We've
Dito
also
mo
got
lang
flying
matitikman
charge.
yan.
Wait a minute. Your moveset's already looking pretty nice. What about floppy?
namatay ka ba?
Bubble beam. Surely
Hindi,
you're a
diba?
physical. Yeah, you're a
Itong mga
physical
batang
attacker. Do you have any physical attacking moves?
Ay, baha kasi.
Here is actually kind of mid.
Richard
I'm gonna
kayo.
give you hypnosis for catching. Actually, I don't even need it. I'll give you
Stop.
mud shot. Pound is probably the best thing they've got there.
harap.
Bubble beam, I have to do. Cool.
Ikaw ha? Ikaw ha? Ikaw ha? Ikaw ha?
Daming energy sa loob ng hotel. Pag to sa labas eh.
Bukas magpapagod ka doon sa ano, mga touring doon. Ka!
Beer? Ano yan? Yung red horse, family size.
Red horse. Moda pa ay. Moda pa na red horse. Ano yung red horse?
Alam mo lang yellow, no?
Parang yellow, parang gusto talagang ano. May ganak. May ginabala.
Naloko ko, walang yellow yung beer. Pwede ba in ice yun? Oo, talagang walang ice. Kasi draft beer yung binili mo, no? So sila yung gumagawa ng
Ay, yung pinili ko. Ayoko
Sa kanila
ng
mismo.
beer in Canada.
Ayaw mo ng Sapporo, gano'n.
Kasi may bibili naman natin sa atin yun.
Sige, tikman mo na yun. Ano lasa? Lasa ano? Lasa Sapporo.
Beer na light.
Hindi siya lasa ng Red Horse, gano'n.
Hindi, yung red horse, mapait yun.